Dear friends, welcome to all. Sargam അക്കാഡമിയുടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Now, should is generally used to show, to express duty or obligation. Duty. Obligation or duty. So duty. I should meet him. What does it mean? I should meet him. It's my duty to meet him. I am obliged to meet him. He has asked me to meet him, so I should do that. I should meet him. We should attend the program. So it's our duty to attend the program because we have been asked to. It's our duty to attend the program. So it shows duty. I should, we should, they should. They should be here. They should be in the hall. They should be in this place. That means they should come to this place. They should come here. They should be here. They should be with you. ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കേണ്ടതുണ്ട്, ചെയ്യേണ്ടതുണ്ട് എന്നുള്ള സെൻസാണ് അവർ. This is the first color of should. That shows a duty or obligation. ഇതിൻ്റെ വേറൊരു സെൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. So we'll study that later. Ought to. We'll study that later. And now another example. He should do the work. He should do the work. He has been assigned a work, so he should do it. He should do the work before Monday or by Monday. He should finish the work by Tuesday. It's his duty to. His duty to finish the work before Monday or before Tuesday. And she should train these kids. It's her duty to train these kids. She should train these kids. Right? So all these sentences show duty. I should, we should, they should, he should, she should. It shows duty. This is the first color of should. And now, as we did in tools, when we studied all the tools from 1 to 11, here too we can do a level 2 exercise. So we'll do the level 2 exercise. Now, level 2. I should meet him. I told you, it's my duty. So, how do you negate it? I shouldn't meet him. See? What is that? You got an instruction that you shouldn't meet him. See? Not to meet him. I shouldn't go there. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't read this book. അത് പൊതുവെ പറയുമ്പോൾ യൂലാണ് അത് കുറച്ചുകൂടി ആപ്റ്റ് ആവുക. You shouldn't go there. You shouldn't talk to such people. You shouldn't watch such vulgar movies. You shouldn't read such books. You shouldn't visit such places. Shouldn't. So what is it? A restriction. നിങ്ങൾ restrict ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരാളാണ്. That means വിലക്ക്. I shouldn't meet him. Level 2. But should I meet him or Should I meet him? Is it my duty to meet him? A question. Yes, no question. Should I meet him? Should I read this report? Should I watch this movie? Should I train these kids? Should I take 2 tickets? Should I book 2 tickets? Is it my duty to book 2 tickets? Yes, you should. No, you shouldn't. Right? Should I come to office on Sunday? Should I come to office on Sunday? Normally Sunday is holiday, so should I come there? Is there any extra work? Should I come to office on Sunday? Yes, you should come to office on Sunday. No, you shouldn't come to office on Sunday. Shouldn't, it's vilakana, right? You don't have to come to office on Sunday. Or you needn't come to office on Sunday. You shouldn't, in the rainbow, it's a restriction, vilakana, right? Now, we, see, shouldn't I meet him? Kanda avashyamilla. ആ ലെവലിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ പോകണ്ട. I should meet him. I shouldn't meet him. Should I meet him? Or shouldn't I meet him? I should play the match. I shouldn't play the match. കളിക്കരുത്, ആരോ കളിക്കരുതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't play. Should I play the match? Is it my duty to play the match? Yes, you should play the match. Right? Shouldn't I play the match? That's not needed anyway. Right? So let's step on to another example. Now, another example. You should, very simple example. You should go there. I instruct somebody to go there. You should go there. It's your duty to go there. Maybe you are my subordinate officer. So I advise you, I instruct you to go there. You should go there. You should do that. You should correct this report. You should write this script. You should. Now, negation. This is plus. Negation. You shouldn't go there. Restriction. I ask you not to go there. I advise you not to go there. You shouldn't go there. It's a restriction. Right? Yes, no plus. As we did in the tools. So we are doing level 2 exercise here. You shouldn't go there. Now, should you go there? See? I ask you, should you go there? Should you correct this file? Should you read this report? Should you act in this film? Should you write this script? Should you? Is it your duty to? I ask you. Then you answer, yes. Yes, I should. Or yes, we should. No, we shouldn't. Shouldn't you go there? If it is he should jog every morning. He should do that. He should jog every morning. So when I negate it, he shouldn't jog every morning means maybe the doctor advised him to jog twice a week or 3 days a week. So he shouldn't jog every morning. He should jog 3 days a week. Right? Then you ask, should I or should we jog every morning? Yes, you should. No, you shouldn't. You should jog just 3 days a week. That's enough. 3 days. Right? That's enough. Right? So this is the level 2 of should. Now, context 2 of should. That means the second color. I told you would, should, could, might. These have colors. Now on to the second color or context in which should is used. Second color of should. It shows high degree of probability. High degree of probability. What is this? Let's step on to examples. See, when I say it should rain tonight, what does that mean? So it's not duty. So we can't say that it's a duty of the sky to rain tonight. No, it should rain tonight. So it's highly probable to rain tonight. Why? Because the rain clouds are there. The sky is carpeted with rain clouds. So I say it should rain tonight. That means it's highly probable. High probability is there to rain tonight. It is highly likely to rain tonight. Possibility is there, high possibility is there, probability is there. It should rain tonight. Now, there is a car parked outside. You ask me, whose car is this? A simple question. So I'm not sure, but I say it should be Sam's. That means the car should be Sam's. Right? So there is high probability is there. Right? High degree of probability. Maybe 70% or 80% probability is there. The car is Sam's. It should be Sam's. Whose file is this? It should be Harry's. A mobile phone is there on the table. Whose phone is that? It should be Sally's. It should be Sally's. Now, you ask me, where is John? I would like to meet him. Where is he? He should be in the hall. That means 80% he would be in the hall. He is in the hall. 80% probability is there. Right? John should be in the hall. Where is Samson? I would like to meet him. Samson, he should be in the court. He should be outside. High degree of probability. Right? Is the second color of should. The second context in which should is used to show high degree of probability. Now, another example. You are sitting in your room along with your friends, maybe, and somebody knocks on the door. So before answering the door, before opening the door, one of you says, makes a wild guess, says, predicts, it's a sort of prediction. Somebody is knocking on the door. See? It should be Sam. It should be Harry. That means high degree of probability. 80% അത് ഹാരി ആവാനുള്ള സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. or Sam ആവാനുള്ള സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. It should be Sally's brother. High degree of probability. Now, your phone is there on the table. You get a call. It is ringing. You get a call. So without attending the call, without picking the phone, sitting in the chair, you say, it should be my brother. Because your brother calls you at that time. Say, it should be my brother. It should be Thomas. It should be Selim. See, all these sentences show high degree of probability.
ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞ സെഗ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് കാണുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി സർഗം അക്കാഡമിയുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സന്ദർശിക്കുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്.